Run into. Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly or to experience a problem by chance. It's important to note, you do not plan it. It's something that happens by accident. Now, if you run into someone or something, you didn't expect it, you didn't plan it, you didn't prepare for it. It just happened. Let's look at some common examples in real life. I could say, I ran into my old teacher at the mall today. Or, I ran into a friend from college yesterday. Did you run into John this morning? We could also say, we ran into a small problem with the project. Or, the team ran into some technical issues. We ran into delays last week. As you may have already noticed, Americans use run into for people and problems. One place I want to draw your attention to is the difference between meet versus run into. So meet is when something is planned versus run into, which is unexpected. So an example here, I could say I met my manager at 3 p.m. versus I ran into my manager at the coffee shop. So when you meet your manager at 3 p.m., that was something planned, whereas when you ran into your manager at the coffee shop, this is something you didn't expect to happen. Now repeat after me. Run into. Run into. Run into. In the past, we would say, ran into. Ran into. Ran into.